Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. So today I am going to start the next topics of chapter number 4th, light energy. And in my previous video I had explained you the concept of light, the concept of reflection of light, different laws of light, and also how the image is formed in the case of plane mirror. All these concepts I had explained you in my previous video, and those students who has not seen that video, they must see the video to understand the concept. And today I am going to start the next concept related to the same chapter, chapter number 4th, light energy. So dear student, this video is also going to be very interesting, so watch this video carefully to understand the concept. Okay, first of all I am going to discuss the concept of colors, and later on I will discuss all the concepts in this chapter. Okay, first of all we have to understand that what is a color. Okay, before understanding the definition, I am going to explain you the one concept which I had explained you earlier in my previous videos. In that videos I had explained you that how we can see the objects. In that video I had explained you when the light falls on the different objects and all these objects are reflecting back the light, and the reflection of this light, when the reflected light reaches to our eyes, that time we see the objects. And the same thing is happening with the colors also. When the light is reflecting back, when it strikes the objects, and when the light is reflecting back, that time different kind of sensations along with the light are produced on the eye, and that is why we see different colors of different objects. So the definition is, objects produce different sensations on the eye when they reflect or emit light. Means when the light is reflected back by the objects, that time the objects produce different kind of sensations, and these sensations are nothing but the colors only. You can see the different objects around us. We see many objects are around us, but we see the objects are appear to have a different colors. They all not have the same colors, because of when the objects are reflecting the light back, and the reflection of the light when reaches to the eyes, that time that light produces different sensations, and these sensations are nothing but colors. So this is the definition: when the objects produces different sensations on the eye when they reflect or emit light, these sensations are nothing but the colors. So this is the definition of the color. Here is an important explanation is also there. Before starting this concept, I want to explain one thing to you also. During the daytime we see the light, although we cannot see the light, but we can see the presence of the light, we can feel the presence of the light. That time the light appears to be of white color, but this white light has several colors. Okay, I will explain to you. You can see here, we know that white light or ordinary light available from the sun has different colors of light mixed in it. Means when we see the light during the daytime, that time the color of the light appears to be white, but that light has not only a white color, it is a mixture of some colors. Newton found 7 colors in the white light. So basically, after the experiments, Newton found that there are 7 colors in a light. In an ordinary light there are 7 colors. All these colors are arranged in some order of appearance when ordinary light is split into its colors. You can see here the diagram of the prism, and you can see one thing is also here. When the light is falling on this prism, you can see this experiment was performed by the Newton also. You can see this is a glass prism, and when the white light is falling on this prism, after entering the white light in the prism, then this white light splits into 7 colors. You can see here the band of the color also. This is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and white. So basically, with the help of this experiment, we can understand that the white light has 7 colors. But in the daytime, why we are not watching, why we are not observing these 7 colors? Because of when the light with all these colors combinedly reaches to our eyes, that time human mind cannot perceive all these colors of light. That time the light is appear to be white. So this is the concept. Okay, the next concept is types of colors. Okay, the first type is the primary colors. You can see from the definition, the group of red, green and blue colors from which all other colors can be had by mixing are called primary colors. Means in a white light, the color red, green and blue, all these 3 colors are primary colors, because of other colors can be formed by mixing these colors, but these colors cannot be formed by any other colors. So that is why these colors are called the primary colors. So there are the basic colors which cannot be created through mixing of other colors. So these are the basic colors, that is why it is called the primary colors. And the important point is also written here, you can see the primary colors are source of all the other colors, as they can be considered as original parents of coming generation of colors. Means these are the primary colors and we cannot create these colors by mixing any other colors, but other colors can be formed by mixing these primary colors. Okay, next is secondary colors. You can see here the definition of secondary colors. Colors obtained after mixing any two primary colors are called secondary colors. Means when we are mixing any two primary colors, that time the color which colors are formed, that colors are called the secondary colors. Okay, important secondary colors are given to you: magenta, that is M, cyan, that is C, and yellow, that is Y. You can see this cyan, magenta and yellow color. So it means, you can see from the definition, from the explanation, if primary colors blue and red, means when the blue and the red color are mixed, we got magenta color. You can see here, when this blue and this red color, both colors are mixed, here is magenta color is formed. And also you can see, if primary colors green and blue are mixed, we get cyan color. You can see this is a green color and this is a blue color, and when these two colors are mixed, that time cyan color is formed. So like the same way, if we are mixing the primary colors red and green, that time we form a yellow color. So I will also show you a table through which you can easily understand. So from this table you can easily memorize that the colors formed by mixing of two primary colors, they can be termed as secondary colors or composite colors also. As I just explained you, after mixing red and blue, we got magenta color. You can see red and blue, then magenta color is formed here. After mixing blue and green, cyan color is formed here. Blue and green, cyan color is formed here, and then red and green color, when mixed together, yellow color is formed. You can see red and green, then the yellow color is formed. So with the help of this table you can easily memorize. Even through this diagram also you can understand. Red and green when mixed, yellow color is formed. When the green and blue is mixed, cyan color is formed. When the blue and red color is mixed, that time magenta color is formed. So I hope this is clear to you. So after understanding the concept of colors, primary colors and secondary colors, now the next concept is color of an object. Now we are going to learn that how the different objects appear to be differently in colors. Means why the objects have different colors. Now we are going to learn the physics behind this one also. So here an important explanation is given to you. You can see, in fact, color of an object is not within the object itself. Means all the objects which has different colors, that objects has not their real colors. That is only because of the reflection of light. Means an object can be appears as a red, or the same object can be appears as blue, but it depends upon the reflection of the light. So that is why it is written here, in fact, color of an object is not within the object itself. Why? Because of different objects may interact with the light in different ways. So ordinary sunlight consists of light of all the colors. I had already explained you, during the daytime we observe the white light, and in this white light there are 7 colors, and all these 7 colors when reaches to our eyes, the human mind cannot perceive all these colors. Then the color of the light appears to be white. So that is why ordinary sunlight consists of light of all colors. When this light strikes off an opaque object, then the object absorbs some colors. Mean when the light along with these 7 colors strikes an opaque object, then this object absorbs some colors which will not reach our eyes. Other colors of the light are reflected back or sent to our eyes. This reflected or transmitted colors of the light decides the color of the object. So with this explanation you can easily understand. For example, if an object absorbs light of all colors except green, means suppose a white light is falling on an object and this object is absorbing all the colors, but it is not absorbing the green color, means except green color it absorbing all the other colors, then the object will look like green. Why? Because of when the light is falling on the object is absorbing all the colors of the light except green color, and then the object reflects back this green light, and when this green light reaches to our eyes, that time we see the color of the object is green. So that is why the object is appear to be green. So there are some chemicals which absorb one or more colors, and such chemicals are known as pigments. In the given figure you can see, in the given figure, pigments absorb all colors and reflects green color only, thus it appears green. And with the help of this one you can also understand the same example. Now suppose a piece of paper has a green color, means it appears to be green color. Why? Because of, you can see a white light from here is falling on this object, and this object is absorbing all the other colors which are in a white light, and only it is reflecting the green color, means it is reflecting only the green colors and it is absorbing all the other colors. And when this reflected green color reaches to our eyes, that time we see the object is appears to be green, means the reflector reflects green and appears to be green in color. So that is why we see different objects has different colors, means only this depends upon the reflection of the light and which light the object is reflecting, and that light is reaches to our eyes, and that decides the color of the object. Okay, now you can see why the objects, some objects are appears to be white and why some other objects are appears to be black. It is also explained here. If an object does not absorb any color of light, means the object is reflecting all the colors of the light and it reflects all the colors, then the objects, say white rose, will appear as white. Means when we see any shirt is of white color, why this shirt is appear to be white? Because of this white shirt is reflecting all the colors, and when all these colors are reaches to our eyes, that time we see the color of the t-shirt is a white. And now you can see, if an object absorb all colors of the light and reflect no any color, means if an object is not reflecting any color, it is absorbing all the colors, then the object will appear as black. Say black rose, like this way. Means if we see any object has a black color, that time it means the object is absorbing all the colors and not reflecting any color back, and that is why when the object is not reflecting any color and no any color is reaches to our eyes, that time the object appears to be black. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay, there are some examples are given to you related to this explanation. That you can see here, leaf is here in this diagram, in this picture you can see a leaf is here, and of course the color of the leaf is green, we know that one. Why? The same explanation is here. Most of the leaves are green in color because they reflect only green light and absorb the balance of the colors of the white light. That is why the leaves appears to be green. And this also, the second example is given to you. You can see a cyan rose is cyan because it reflects green and blue light. Why this rose looks like cyan? Why it appears to be a color of cyan? Because of in a cyan rose is a cyan because it reflects green and blue light, and you know that when we are mixing green and blue light, that time cyan color is formed, and that is why when the green and the blue light combiningly reaches to our eyes, that time we see the rose has a cyan color, means the rose appears to be has a cyan color. So you can see also this one. Here is a picture of a parrot. You can see beak of the parrot is red. Why this beak of the parrot appears to be red? Because it reflects red color only. Means when the light is falling on the beak of this parrot, only the red color is reflected back by this beak, and the other colors are absorbed by this beak, and that is why the beak of the parrot is appear to be red. So beak of the parrot is red because it reflects red color and absorbs the balanced colors of the white light. So like this way, there are some examples are given to you. With the help of example, you now easily understand that how the objects appear to be have a different colors. Because of it depends upon the reflection of the light and which colors the objects are reflecting back. That reflection decides the color of the object. Okay, now the next concept is color subtraction. It is also very important. With the help of this theory also we can understand why the objects are appear to be different in colors. Okay, now you can see, we can start from here with this explanation. You can see here an example is taken. Let us consider a dress which looks yellow in white light, having all the three primary colors that are red, blue and green. Means in a white light, although I had explained you there are 7 colors, but basically because of other 4 colors are made up of primary colors, so generally we can take red, blue and green only in a white light, because of in a white light there are 3 primary colors, red, green and blue. So suppose we are wearing a shirt of yellow color in a white light. Of course in a white light there are 3 colors, red, blue and green, means a light is falling on this yellow t-shirt. And why the shirt is appear to be yellow? With the subtraction of color we can understand this one. It means that yellow dress absorbs blue color and reflects red and green. We know that how the yellow color is formed with the mixture of red and green only. It means when the white light is falling on the dress and the dress is only absorbing a blue color and is reflecting red and green color, then these 2 colors combinedly reaches to our eyes, and that time with the mixture of this red and green the shirt appears to be yellow. You can see with the help of this equation also, you can see here white minus blue. Why minus blue is written here? Because of the white, in a white light the shirt is reflecting blue color, means from the white light blue color is subtracted. So you can see white minus blue is equal to, in white color you can see R plus G plus B, means in a white light there are 3 primary colors, red plus green plus blue, and from here blue color is subtracted because of the shirt is absorbing this blue color, means it is subtracting this blue color from the white light. And now you can see this blue and blues cancel with each other and only 2 colors are reflected back, that are red and green. And when these 2 colors red and green combinedly are mixed with each other, and then this combinedly effect of these 2 colors appears to be yellow. So that is why we see the shirt as appear to be in a yellow color. So this is the concept of subtraction of color. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Even other example is also taken here. You can see, now suppose we throw only red light on this dress, means on this yellow dress, which the color of the object, the color of the shirt is appears to be yellow, and now suppose we are just throwing a red light on this dress, and what will happen? Then you can see also, suppose we are throwing only red light on this dress, then the red light will be reflected and the dress appears red. Why? Because of, you can see there are only 2 colors are reflected back by the shirt, that is red and green, and only we are throwing a red light on the shirt, that time there is no any presence of green color and the shirt is only reflecting the red color. That is why the shirt appears to be red. Similarly, if we are throwing only a green color on this shirt, then the green color is reflected back by the shirt, then the dress appears to be green. Okay, the next is, if we put a cyan light on this dress, means on this yellow dress we are putting a cyan light, what will happen? Then you can see, then of course the shirt is absorbing blue color, means cyan minus blue. In cyan color you can see there are green and blue, so in cyan color there are 2 colors, G plus B, and now the shirt is again absorbing the blue color, and blue both are cancelled with each other, then we see the shirt appears to be green. So with the help of this color subtraction we can easily understand why the different objects appear to be different in different lights. So this dress will appear green. This process is known as subtraction. Okay, now the next concept is formation of rainbow. You can match this explanation from the book also. Here you have to understand this one, because of here a wider explanation is given to you. You have to understand from here. Formation of rainbow means how the rainbow is formed. Okay, just now I had explained you, when the white light is falling on the prism, and when the light falls on the prism, then the light splits into 7 colors. Same thing is happening in this case also. You can see splitting up of a white light into 7 colors is called the dispersion of light. No need to understand this one only, because of the process in which the light splits into 7 colors is simply called the dispersion of light. And we know that when the white light is splitting into 7 colors, that is called the dispersion of light. And the sunlight when falls into a raindrop, after a heavy rainfall, you have may you have observed this thing also, in the sky there is a rainbow is appeared exactly opposite to the sun. Why? Because of when the sunlight falls into a raindrop, then the raindrop acts like a prism, and because of the light splits into the prism, the same thing is happening in this case also. when the light is falls into a raindrop, it acts like a prism, which enables the process of dispersion of light. The water droplet also splitting the color of the white light into 7 colors. So the rainbow is a band of 7 colors formed in the atmosphere. The colors are Vibgyor, means we can easily memorize by this. Vibgyor means the colors of this white light splits into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange and red. You can see here so many millions of water droplets are present in the air after a heavy rainfall. You can see when the sunlight is falling, you can see here when the sunlight is falling on these water droplets, and then this light it splits into 7 colors. Because of then this droplets behaves like a prism. This one is also explained to you. When the light is falling on the prism, then this light is splits into 7 colors. You can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So like the same way this water droplet also behaves like a prism. When the white light is falling on this prism or on this water droplet, then this white light splits into 7 colors. You can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So like this way rainbow is formed. Only the physics behind is this: when the white light falls on the water droplets, in the water droplets the white light splits into 7 colors, and all these 7 colors combiningly gives the effect of a rainbow, and we see the rainbow in the sky. Okay, now the last topic is left, that is the speed of light. So it is believed that the light travels at the greatest speed and nothing can travel faster than it. You can see light has a faster speed and nothing can travel faster than the light. And until 17th century it was thought that the light reached every point at the same time. But it was Galileo who proved that the light moved at some definite speed. Another scientist, you can see the picture of the scientist also. Another scientist, Roemer, was able to tell the speed of the light with accuracy 26% lower than the true value. And in 1975, the speed of the light was measured with the increasing accuracy as 29,97,92,458 meter per second. It is believed that the journey of the light started long back when this universe was in its childhood. So basically the concept is only the speed of light, means the speed of light in vacuum is taken as 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. What a huge speed is this. And light in a vacuum travels at the same speed, means the speed of light in vacuum and air, in both media the speed of light is same, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and the speed of light in vacuum is denoted by the symbol c. Now here is an important explanation is also there. As I had explained you, the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, but the speed of light decreases when it passes through other media, means when the light enters from a rarer to denser medium, that time the speed of light decreases. For example, the speed of light decreases when it passes from air to glass or from air to water, means air is a rarer medium and glass is a denser medium. Again, air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium. Even in this case, in the both cases, the light is entering from a rarer to the denser medium. That time the speed of light decreases. So means the speed of light depends upon the optical density of a material, by which it affects the speed of the light passing through it. Means here you can see water and glass both are optically denser, and that is why the speed of light decreases when it enters from a rarer to a denser medium. A list of the material is given below. You can see from the book also a list is given to you according to the speed of the light according to the different materials. Means when the light enters in a different materials, that time the speed of the light changes, its speed decreases, and a list is given to you in your book also. You can see from the book. So you can see this table is given in your book, that is the speed of light in transparent materials. In vacuum you can see 3 lakh kilometer per second, and in water you can see 2,25,000 kilometer per second, and in glass is 2 lakh kilometer per second, and in diamond is 1,20,000 kilometer per second. So the speed of light decreases when it enters in optically denser medium. So this is only the concept. Okay students, through this video I had completed this chapter, this 4th chapter, and now you have to watch this video to understand the concepts. And still, if any student has any difficulty, then you can call me also. You have my contact number. Till then, learn physics and stay healthy. Thank you.